Hey everyone, welcome back to the stream. Today we're diving into some exciting new tech.
To create a Google account on Android, just open the Settings app Accounts and select Add Account. That's it, super easy. Okay everyone, let's connect. Wi-Fi is on and the signal is building. Perfect, we're fully connected. Let's check out the settings menu. I'll scroll down to mobile data. See how smooth that is?
Go to Accounts and then tap on Google. Perfect, that's it.
Let's add a Google account. Just tap Google from the account type list, and that's it.
All right, let's unlock this with the fingerprint. And we're in, swiping over to the home screen. All right, to get started, just tap right here. See, the account is created. Super simple. Let's set this up. I'll choose for myself. Perfect, all set.
Let's type in my first name. Now I'll move to the last name field and I'll start typing it.
Let's pick a date on this Android phone. Just a quick scroll to find the right one. And there we go. All right, let's tap the gender option from this list. See? Now we can choose from the available options.
Gmail username. First, backspace the existing text. Now enter Gmail username on the keyboard. The cursor blinks
out. I'm trying to create an account, but as I type, an error appears. Username already taken. So frustrating.
Retype the password.
And now I'll tap next. Let's type in this phone number. 123-456-7890.
Hey everyone, check out this smooth autofill. Watch as the digits fill in instantly. And we're in.
All right, let's quickly scroll through these terms and conditions. It's a long one, but that's the usual. All right, let's do this. I agree. And one more time, tap. There we go, all set.
Okay, let's check. And success, all good.
Let's see what's new on the Play Store. It's loading now and app icons are appearing. Perfect.
Welcome back. If you're enjoying this, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more.